Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. I am back, y'all. I am back. I'm fresh off last week. Y'all had remember I posted every day celebrating 4 years on social media. I took this week off and I'm back. And I'm starting this Friday night. You know what that means. It's either cake or pie. And I'm still on this pie thing, y'all. So I'm going to make a very easy, simple pie, y'all. I'm making a coconut custard pie. Very easy. I glue a little twist on it at the end. So y'all stay tuned, see how I finish it off. But let's get started, y'all. First thing I'm going to do, I like to mix my eggs and sugar together. And any custard, the main two ingredients in any custard, y'all, is milk and eggs. And whatever else you want to add to it, but milk and eggs is the main ingredients. And also a good key is, y'all, make sure your eggs are room temperature. Like I said, I'm not going to use a blender. This is so simple. But make sure your eggs are room temperature when you're mixing them up. That's for custard or something. It's easier for them to incorporate into your pie. So that's eggs, sugar. I got vanilla already in this milk here. 2.5 cups of milk. Mix this in here. Mix this all up together. Easiest pie, y'all. See that? See how hard that was? That was so hard, huh? But this is a good pie. This is something my mama used to make all the time, I guess, because it's so easy. You want something sweet to eat, y'all? This is the thing. So I got that all mixed up together. Now I'm gonna add my coconut. And I'm gonna add some coconut at the end to the top too, y'all. That's why I ain't putting a lot in the filling. So got the coconut in there. All I'm gonna do here is pour it. This is where you gotta be really careful. Pour it right into the pie shell here. Now I'm gonna have to have a real steady hand, y'all, to put all this in here. There we go. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven, 45 minutes, 350 degrees, y'all. But when I come back after I take it out of the oven, I'm gonna put a little twist to it to make it even more decadent. So we'll be right back in about 45 minutes and I'll show you the final result. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, my pie is in the oven and I'm gonna show y'all a little thing I'm gonna put on top of this pie right when it come out the oven. All I have here, this is in the description of the video, y'all. All I got is some butter here, some soft butter, some brown sugar. Just kind of mash it together here, mix it up. Something I little created a few years ago. Take this to the next level. I'm saying, take this little coconut pie to the next level, y'all. Gonna have that nice buttery. You know I can't cook a pie, I don't have no butter. I don't have no butter in the pie. You know what? I'll just put it on top. So what I do, I mash that butter together, get it all mixed up. You can't go wrong with brown sugar and butter, right? Can't go wrong with that. To get it all mashed up there. Now get me a spoon here, y'all. Can y'all see it? I got it too far up. There we go. Let me get it where y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. Alrighty. Mash this up here. Now I'm gonna put my coconut in here. That's why I say I'm gonna put. That's why I told y'all I'm gonna add some more coconut at the end. So this gonna go on top of the pie when it come out. Then I'm gonna put it under the broiler and broil it off, and we're gonna have that nice looking color on the pie. So we're just gonna let this set to the side and hang out a little bit, and when the pie is ready, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this. But I like to go and get this done, so when the pie is ready, I can just add it right on the pie. Okay, that's it. So we'll be back here in about probably the pie been in the oven about 15 minutes, so another 30 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, now. Y'all see the pie is ready here. I just go by touch. I know it's ready just by the touch. Got that little jiggle. Now, the hands are clean. Now all I'm gonna do, y'all, I like to go around the top of this And I set this in the refrigerator a little, let it firm up while the pie was cooking, y'all. After I made it, I'm just go around the, so you get it on the pie, not on the outside. I like to go around the, drizzle this all on the top here. And we're gonna put this under the broiler. Now you gotta watch this, y'all. Don't make all day you making this pie and working hard, and then you put this on the broiler and burn your pie up. You don't want to do that. You want to keep eye on it because it don't take but 2-3 minutes, and it's gonna be nice. And what I want to do, get it nice and bubbly and brown. So we're gonna put it all around there like this. Try to break it up. That's it. Now, I'm gonna put this in the broiler for about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm gonna watch it. I ain't not gonna even move from here. I'm gonna watch it as it's cooking, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back, and look what I almost lost this pie in the oven. What I was telling y'all not to do. Look, see how it got a little dark in the back? But that's okay. Long as this side, long as this here is not burnt, you're okay. I got a little dark on the back of the crust, but this is what I want. It got a nice caramelization on it. See that? That's what I wanted. That didn't take but 2 minutes, y'all. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let this cool completely. 100% in the refrigerator. I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna cut it. And this pie gonna be absolutely amazing. You never tasted nothing like it. Like I say, that little touch at the end really takes this pie over the top. I mean, you can eliminate this part here, but this really takes it over the top. So anyway, it's gonna take about 3-4 hours to cool this off, and I'll be back to cut a piece and we'll see how it is. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. The pie come out. Here it is right here. Nice and set up there. And my crew say, you want to serve? Yeah, I'm not going to edit this out. I'm going to show you what the pie looks like. Even I'm not perfect. Even I make mistakes, which are not a really bad mistake, but to show you, if you don't put in there, when you put it in the broiler and don't watch it, this is what'll happen right here around the edges. But it's no big deal. Like I say, as long as the inside is still good, coconut custard pie, y'all. Don't get no better. And listen to this. Nice little topping there. A little brown sugar topping. A little brown sugar and coconut on top. That puts it over the top, y'all. That is awesome. Nice and creamy. Coconut custard. Cheap, very cheap pie to make, y'all. Very cheap. Eggs and milk. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with that. But, like I say, good to be back. Another Friday night pie in the books here. Couple more videos to go this weekend. So, y'all hang tight and come along for the ride. So, anyway, if you like this video, like I close every video, y'all, please give it thumbs up. Please share it. Please comment. Please subscribe. I just recently went over 58,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. We're almost 100,000. Hopefully we'll be this time next year, I'll be over 100,000 subscribers. So that's something I never thought I'd happen. But anyway, remember the hashtag this year, 2021, is help somebody old school soul food. Follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.